In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from PenFed Credit Card. We'll walk through the on-screen guide, cover the main ways to get cash, and highlight key costs and smart tips so you can do this confidently and avoid unnecessary fees. Start by opening the guide page on withdrawing money from your PenFed Credit Card. Once you're there, select the article title just like this video, then open the section labeled How to Withdraw Money from Your PenFed Credit Card. This gives you an overview and lets you jump straight to the method you want to use. Choose the At an ATM option to see how a cash advance works at a machine. You'll use your PenFed credit card, follow the prompts for a cash advance, and withdraw up to your card's cash advance limit. Be mindful that ATMs can charge surcharges, so it's worth using the locator next. Open the Locate, a participating ATM section, and use PenFed's ATM locator to find one of the more than 85,000 fee-free machines nationwide. Using a fee-free ATM helps you avoid extra operator charges on top of your card's cash advance costs. If you prefer in-person help, open the over-the-counter at a bank section. Then select Visit a bank to confirm that you can go to a branch that accepts Visa credit cards. Ask the teller for a cash advance on your Visa, present your card and ID, and they'll process it for you. Some banks may have their own fees, so it's wise to ask before proceeding. You can also do this digitally. Open using PenFed Online or mobile app, then select Log In to access your account through PenFed Online. Inside your account, look for the area related to cash advances or moving available credit to your linked deposit account. Availability and labels can vary, so review the details on screen before you confirm. Before you proceed, open the Important Considerations section. Review high APR, which explains that cash advances typically carry a higher interest rate than purchases. Check immediate interest, noting that interest usually starts accruing right away with no grace period. Read cash advance fees, which outlines the fee charged per advance, often a percentage of the amount. And look at impact on credit, since cash advances increase your utilization and can affect your score if balances stay high. Finally, open tips to minimize costs. The biggest win is to use PenFed ATMs to avoid additional surcharges. Borrow only what you need, pay the balance down as quickly as possible to limit interest, and keep an eye on your available credit so you stay within your limits and avoid penalties. That's it. Clear, safe, and cost-aware ways to withdraw cash from your PenFed credit card.